Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. Today we're working on this 2017 Hyundai Elantra. I will be showing you what you need to do in order to change a head gasket. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your timing cover off and your top valve cover off. I have videos on that on my channel. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so now that we got the timing cover off and we got the valve cover off, so next up we want to remove these camshafts. To remove the camshafts, we need to take off the bearing caps, and you want to take it off in this sequence shown right here. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. So we got one here. These are 10 millimeter. 2, 3, 4. We got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now to get the rest of these, they are 12 millimeter. So we'll go 11, 12, 13, and up here we got 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, and 25. Okay, so at this point you just want to lift them up and out, but keep them all together. You're going to keep all of these together, and you will keep them in order too. They actually have writing here, so I mean it's kind of hard to mess up. Like this says 3 with an arrow up. I'll show you that in just a second. So if we look here, this says 3 and up, and we got 2 right there, and then 1. So we'll go ahead and take out these last 3. So if we look right here, I just keep them in a line like this and just leave the bolts in them. Okay, so at this point we just want to pick up our camshafts and go put them down gently. They'll just come right out. Okay, so next up we're actually going to remove the cam carrier. We have 2 bolts holding it in, one here and one here. They are 12 millimeter. Give it a little love and tap. There we go. Nothing crazy, it's loose on that side. Okay, now that I got it loose, it'll just come right out. Before remounting it, we will have to clean this surface area up and put some more silicone down all the way around. So next up, we're going to take off these hydraulic lash adjusters with the swing arm. They literally just pull out like that. We're going to keep them in order too though. All of these lift out extremely easy. So like I said, you want to keep up with everything. I just keep them in order from back to front and this side to that side. We just keep everything organized. Okay, so next up we got to do the head bolts. I'm going to show you that up on the screen now. Some don't have a washer and some do have a pre-installed washer. Now you will do this with several passes, that way you don't mess up the head. So it's very important not to just rip them out. Okay, so the bolts that we got to get to, There's one there, one right over here, and so on and so forth. They're right down through here. So these are 12 point, like this, and it's a size 12. So remember to go slow and do it in the sequence that it says to do it. Remember to do at least 4 passes. So we'll go ahead and crack them all loose. These are torque to yield bolts, so that's why they are so hard and you'll hear that cracking and stuff. It's okay as long as they don't snap. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this a few times and then we'll come back. So once you get all your head bolts removed, now you should be able to pull it right off here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and take this head gasket off. You're just going to pull it up. Now you want to make sure this surface is extremely clean. Okay, so you just want to take your new gasket and you're going to line it right back up. Everything should fit back in and look good. Okay, so we're just going to put a little dab of silicone on both sides. Okay, so it's got dowel pins to line up the head. So we're just going to set it right up here. There we go. Okay, so next up we need to put our head bolts in. Now remember, you never want to reuse your old head bolts. These are torque to yield and they should never be reused. So I'll throw up on the screen right now. You have 4 that have washers and then you have the rest that don't. And the 4 that have washers have to go exactly where you see them. So let me get that in now. Mine came marked, all 4 of these were marked with a green top. Don't know if yours will or not. I use Felpro.
Okay.
Okay, so we go 90 degrees now. Okay, so we got to do it for another 90 degrees on all of them. Don't forget to put your lash adjusters back in. Okay, so you want to clean up the surfaces between your cam carrier and your head. Then you're going to put a bead of silicone all the way around it, like in this picture right here. Okay, on to the next step. Okay, so we go to 15 foot-pounds on these two. Okay, so we're going to put our cams back in. You just want to line them back up the way you took them out. Once you get it lined up, it'll fall in. Go ahead and grab the other side. Same thing. So just get it lined up and it'll fall right in. Okay, so just go in reverse order. Just get these started. There we go. You'll get them all started hand tight, and then here's the torquing sequence you'll need to do. Okay, so for the 12 millimeter, you'll go to 15 foot-pounds. The 10 millimeter, you go to 10. Okay, now we will do 10 millimeter in the pattern shown. I'll have to go get a different torque wrench, but you should have it from here. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.